Claspo is a simple and powerful pop-up builder to boost your sales. There is a template library of pop-ups for any case, and each of them is customizable to your needs. How does it work? Very simple and clear. Registration is quick and easy, and you can immediately create the first widget. To get started, decide on the goal. We have a template for any request: lightbox, floating bar, information pop-up, gamification, special offers, multi-step forms. We are at the finish line. Select the display option. Do you want the pop-up to appear 10 seconds after opening the page? This is easy to arrange. It remains to install the script on the site. Woo! It's time to analyze the results. Impressions and views, subscription conversions, testing, control, pop-up even more perfect. Claspo has integration with a bunch of cool services. We also love customization. And we update the service every week.